What's up, Brent from Brenspeed? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's a shop tour. It's March 2025. Been a while since I've done one of these. I know you watch a lot of my videos on cars on the dyno, cars we're building. But every once in a while, a few times a year, I like walking through the shop just to show you the day-to-day activity. It's going to be cool. Try to keep it short, hopefully like less than 10 minutes. But we're in our showroom. We're here in Indiana. When you watch this video, if you wonder what's it cost to get installed, email quote at brenspeed.com. Of course, that description, I'll put a link to our website. You can check it out. But we're in our showroom right here. We have a cool GT500 we're going to look at. And we're going to go in the shop. We're going to show the dyno cell. Look at this right here. I bought this off Facebook Marketplace. I didn't even know what it is. The ad said, literally, I don't know what it is. Just look at the pictures. But it's an 85 snapper lawnmower. Some fab dude converted to that. And it popped up one day on a recommended for you, and I was like, I gotta have it. 6-speed transmission, little fun thing to tear around the yard, but I have that in the showroom for when people come in and they're kind of like waiting or they're bored, they can sit on that, check it out. This GT500 right here, it's not finished, obviously, Whipples supercharged, but we installed a 6R80 transmission. So that's something else we do, but I wanted to show you because a lot of you and some of our Facebook posts left comments, hey, what's the inside of this look like with a 6R80 conversion? So whether it's one of these or a 3-valve, check it out. Doug, come down here. I think the main concern is what's it going to look like is the whole console, but I think it looks really good. So that has the 6R80 conversion in this right there. Looks awesome, works great, and we do run like a standalone setup on the 6R80. Still run the manual computer on the engine, but we're going to go out in the shop right here. So if you come visit us here in Indiana, it's our showroom. Showroom's pretty much just merchandise, t-shirts, stuff like that, some cars on display. But let's go out here. We're allowed to enter this. We're gonna go out in the shop. I just want to do a quick walk around. The guys are on break, so it's like a perfect time to do it. Before we go, check out, Doug, you can take a quick pan so people have an idea of what we're gonna look at. We're gonna look at all these cars. But this is our dyno cell over here. We use a DynoJet 224X rear wheel dyno. This Dark Horse just arrived today. Love it. We're going to install a stage 2 Whipple on this right here. Oh, might as well look at the engine compartment. We do a ton of Roush and Whipple on the 24 Mustang, but we have the Whipple going to go on this tomorrow. We'll do a video on that. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll see I release, it's not every car we build, but when I have time, I'll show you like a dyno graph, show you what the car makes, what it looks like when we're finished. The stage 2 Whipple going on that right there. We do keep those blowers in stock as well as the Roush. So he called, I think like last week, and was like, hey, do you have these blowers? Like, yeah, we have them in stock. It's here already, ready to get installed. This is our install facility. So the building is split up into different areas. Like on the other side of that wall back there is our warehouse. So when you order off our website, mail order, the other half of the building is kind of like this size, but it's all of our inventory that we ship out. The whole upstairs of this building is like when you call in, ordering parts, people working on our website, you call in for an install, you have an area for that. You talk to, the service department. But here, we just finished this today. 07 GT. Really clean 3-valve. This has our Eforce supercharger package on it, Detroit Rucker cams, pipes, long tubes, and that's a sweet setup. That's very common on these cars. Super clean, and it kind of blows my mind how many of these cars still come in all the time. We always get 3-valve Mustangs in. Here we have, I'm going to kind of talk fast. You have a question, leave a comment, happy to answer. We have a new GT500 here. This one laid down last month, I think over 1,000 of the tires. He came in, looked at it, said I want a little bit more. So we added a 3rd fuel pump, and then we're up in the boost on it. And I want to show you one thing on this duct. Come here, take a look. So factory supercharger right here, but he wanted a different lid. So check this out. So here is his new lid, and he brought this in, and it was actually blue. And I wasn't really feeling it on this build. I talked to George about it. We had this hydro dipped carbon fiber GT500. Makes complete sense. That'll be awesome. And right here is another lid going on a car this week. that's back in the corner, and it has the American flag. So hydrocarbon, carbon fiber, but the American flag, that's sick. That's something, we don't mail order these, but if your 500's here and you want your lid to look a little bit different, boom, there you go. Over here, Mach 1. Car's been in multiple times. So Procharger car, makes sick power, you know, long tubes, all the goodness, methanol injection, and it's in today just for some suspension upgrades. So a lot of times when you see cars in here, you maybe might see them more than once. It's not because someone just builds it all at one time. Maybe they get a blower, maybe they come back for exhaust or suspension, and this is in here today. Again, suspension, awesome car. Now over here is something you don't see in here every day. As you walk through, you're gonna see all these street cars, which if you come to our facility, you walk through our shop, you see mostly street cars. But this is a current client, he's from Texas. We built a lot of cars for. This is his race car. Look at this, Doug. And we won't be finishing it. He has a shop local to him in Texas, because, you know, okay, if you don't work on your own car and you have a race car, you want a shop close to you that can work on it. But they were really backed up. We had some time to knock a few things out for him on this. But 4 to 6 month MMR engine, huge Vortec on, I'm sorry, Procharger on this thing, giant. We're just getting everything fabbed up, getting it together. The shop in Texas will tune it, finish it up for them. But this is something we offer. Like I said, typically someone's not gonna bring us a car like this, say I want a crazy ass race car, but we do have the ability to fab things up. Doug, let's go around this way. I really like this. And if you guys don't look at our Facebook or Instagram, we put photos out almost daily on cars that are in and out of here. You know, our YouTube channel, we don't put videos out daily, but if you kind of want to see what's going on, you'll get an opportunity to see that. But this right here, I love it. I love the fact that this came in with, check it out, bigs on the back, skinnies on the front. It did blower pulley, cold air, long tubes, injectors, tune, and this car is going to be sick. I know we're known as a Mustang and F-150 shop, but we do a lot of cars like this. We do a lot of Camaros, Corvettes, and that's mainly because maybe we built a Mustang for someone and they hate it. They don't have that anymore. They're in the Hemi world now. So they'll bring their car back and we can do it. Or they have a buddy, like, I want to go where you go. So we do that also. But when you get on our website, you only see Ford stuff. We do all kinds of other vehicles, even like GM truck, put a Whipple on, not a big deal. Back here, we just finished this today. 19 Gen 3 Stang Whipple Stage 2. You know, stock exhaust, basically stock car. Stage 2 Whipple on this. Get the big 132 throttle body. Car, auto car on 93, laying down 680 of the tires. So that's awesome. So I just want to take a minute to kind of do a quick walk through the shop, show you like what goes on in here. Like every day these vehicles change. So like that's gonna like tomorrow that's gone. You know, that's gone. I think that's gone. Like these cars change every single day. So get on our Facebook, get on our Instagram, see what's going on in here every day. And a few times a year I'll do these little shop tour videos, show you our capabilities, show you what we do. That's all. Have a question, leave that comment, happy to answer. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. We're located in Indiana. And again, that description, I'll put a link to where we're located and a link to some of these vehicles and other videos. Thanks for watching.